Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get outlines on paint.net. If you're looking forward to this video, make sure to watch until the end so you fully completely understand everything. Let's get right into it. To begin, we're going to open up Google and we're going to search up paint.net plugins. From here you want to go to this website. It should be forums.getpaint.net. From here we're going to scroll all the way down until we find Plugin Index by Ego Aram Raputo. We're going to open it up, and right here, this is the correct page. We're going to go search options, keywords, and we are going to write, if you give it a moment to load. There we go. We're going to write outline. And it should be this one right here called Bold Page GPU Accelerated Plugin Pack for Paint.net 5.0. Now, as you can see, I'm on 5.1, so I'm not sure if this will work, but we're just gonna have to hope it does. So I'm gonna be pressing on this right here, and right down here. Yeah, so okay, perfect. So all we have to do is simply come here and press on download, and if you give it a moment, so there we go. We're simply gonna press on save, and our download should be completed right up here. From here, I'm gonna open up the download. We're gonna close this. We're gonna double tap on this, and as it loads up, we should see this. It's gonna ask, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes? Press yes. You guys won't be able to see this, but you want to press on yes. From there, this is gonna open up with this creepy guy. He could be quite kind though. Don't judge a book by its cover. From here, it's gonna show you all the things it's gonna download. All you have to do is press on I agree to the terms and conditions of the license agreement. Alongside that, if you're running the store version of Pin.net from the Microsoft Store, which I don't know why you are, you literally have to pay for that for no reason, or you can get the free version on the website. You want to make sure you check that. From there, we're going to press on install everything, and it's going to tell you to close it. So we got to close Paint.net and make sure it's closed here. It is. So we're going to press on install everything. Oh, excuse me, it's not closed. There we go. Retry. And it. And okay, we're gonna open this one more time. Maybe I should check my task manager. That might be why it's not opening. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up once more. Sorry, wrong file. There we go. And once again, I'm gonna press on yes. Here we're gonna I agree, install everything, and there you have it. Now it's finally working. I'm gonna close nothing. Just make sure you wait until it completely installs. And as you can see, installation has been complete. We're gonna press on OK. Close, close, close. I'm also gonna close this. Now, from here, all we have to do is simply open up paint.net. There we go. And as we open it, I'm going to show you guys how to use this plugin. If you give it a moment to load, there we go. So it is opened. From here, first thing we want to do is we want to add a new layer, transparent. Now we're going to add text, and we're going to write text. Let me make this bigger, way bigger. There we go. Then you're gonna, let's move this here. Then we're gonna press on effects. Oh my god. Can be quite laggy. Then, oh my god. Once again, we were going to press on effects, object, outline object, and this should pop up. From here, we can change the width. Now, as you can see, it's currently black. Let's make it blue. And there you go. We've completely made outlines. Now, you can make the blur radius high or low. Doesn't really change anything. Just make sure the width is that. And there you have it. We've made outlines on our text. And there you have it. That's the tutorial on how to get outlines on paint.net. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.